morning everyone. I am Vinay Karthik from class 7. Today I am telling about my project. These are all my team members.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kumar Manikanthodia from 7th class.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nagaraj from class 7.
I am Nakla Manikanta from class 7.
My name is Santa from class 7.
My project name is rain detector.
In this project we use rain detector, servo motor, Arduino Uno, jumper wires, straw, power supply. Live demonstrations. Now we will pour a few drops of water on the rain sensor. This shows that rain has been detected.
Come to the front.
Applications: automatic class protection system, smart agriculture, smart homes, weather. Advantages: automatically operation, save money, save time and efforts.
The project demonstration. The rain is come. The rain is come. The hanger is automatically closed. The rain is after. The hanger is come outside.